Juncture, may I sincerely thank also the Glenbury Golf and Country Club for accepting our request to use their 218-hole course for the three.
เด็กหนึ่งลุมเท่าไรก็ลุมหนึ่ง它真正的名字是什么？这个球场，它的名字怎么叫？这个球场 Raman Putra of course.
Senior ASEAN Championship. We have great honor tonight of guest of honor, Young Brahman, Wabi Kamaruddin Osman, the State Minister for the Sports and Youth of Selangor. let's give a big round of applause to our state minister who has been here to be with us, and perhaps a word of welcome is from the minister himself who has made the time to be with us. And for this, I will hand over the mic to you, maybe. We will say a few words of welcome.
First of all, it's an honor to be here with all these senior people playing as well. And then, on behalf of state government, we welcome everybody here. And please do come again to Selangor. That's all we do. Thank you.
Big hand to YB Darwin, who has made the time to be with us tonight for this dinner. And most important of all, this dinner is sponsored by the state government of Selangor. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we are trying to make it a very memorable night for everybody. As usual, in the annual championship that we have been having all this while, we have been last year in Jakarta, the year before that was in Manila, and before that was in Brunei, in Bangkok, and next year we will be in Singapore. So we have been traveling to all these destinations to be together once a year, and let's make it a night for everybody. Okay, if you remember when we were in Bangkok, we had among us professional golfers and professional singers as well. Would you like to hear them tonight? Alright, let's call the first professional golfing singer from Philippines. Please welcome